Hey there, so how's your sales journey going on? Today, we are going to learn how you can create and edit sequences inside HubSpot.
Now, in order to create and edit sequences inside HubSpot, first we go to Automation and then go to Sequences. Here, click on Create Sequence on the right, and then here you can either start from scratch or you can start with a pre-made sequence, which can be any of these following sequence. And you can also re-engage cold prospects with new sequences. Otherwise, we will just start from scratch. And once you click on Start from Scratch, click on Create Sequence on the right. And here you can put in the steps inside your sequence, give it a name. Here you can put in different types of actions that your sequence will perform. For example, what I want is that maybe it will be a manual email task in this sequence. I'm just adding a manual email task. I can add an email template. So there's a share helpful resource email template by Rahul, and I'll just set this up and click on add. Once all of this is done, I can click on save. And other than that, if you click on the settings option, you can also set up different steps. For example, you can execute steps on business days only. For example, if your business days are set to Monday to Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, the steps won't be executed. So that's also something good in terms of automation. You can also set up a time window wherein the automated email would be sent. So for us, it's 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that is also something. You can also set up an email reminder in the task. So that's also something which will make this overall process of managing sequences easier for you. In the automation section, you can also automate your sequence enrollments. So depending upon the different triggers, you can trigger different actions. And when all of this is done, finally click on save. And you can also set up the sequence visibility, whether it's private or for everyone or for specific users or teams. And when you have done and selected the proper settings, click on save. And your job is done and your sequence is successfully created. So if you want to edit existing sequences, when you go to the automation and then sequences page, herein you are able to see all of the sequences that exist. And if you click on edit, besides the sequence that you have already created, you can here change the different steps inside the sequence and the automation steps as well. And this is the way you can create and edit sequences inside HubSpot.
So guys, you can create sequences inside HubSpot, edit them, and with the help of sequences, you can further boost your automation inside HubSpot, which will lead to further sales down the road. In case you are still running into any issues or you need our help in order to implement some of these sequences, do reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call, which can be accessed via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the description below. I'll see you guys soon in the next video.